Today we will learn how to get the unlimited coins in Subway Surfer. Please follow all the steps carefully. Click on the bell icon and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Please see my coins and the keys. I have a 5 coin and I have a 5k and 0 coins. Open Lucky Patcher. Click on the Subway Surfer. Click on the menu. Download the patches. Click on the menu patch. Custom patch. After custom patch, see again. Custom patch. Patch by Joker, you can see there. After apply it, you will get. It will take few minutes, approx 2 or 3 minutes. After apply it, after it existed, after to start the game, it might take 2 or 3 minutes to start again. You can see the hardwood. Now see the key. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like.